Check that thing out! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Ryan Meyer's Expeditions. Today, look what I've got on. We are in Colorado and we are going fly fishing for trout. Now, I've never done fly fishing for trout properly. I've caught a couple trout before on the fly. I've caught some other fish before on the fly, but I've never done this properly with the waders, walking down the mountain streams. I'm so excited. We're here at Breckenridge Outfitters, getting all set up, ready to go. Got my 5-weight fly rod here. Super pumped for tomorrow. Guys, if you're in Breckenridge and you guys want to rent gear, you can get it right here. They do the full kits. They also do tours all around here onto the mountain streams. Teach you how to fly fish if you don't know how. But guys, I am stoked. We'll see you tomorrow on the river. Alright guys, so we made it to the stream where we're fishing today, and like you guys have heard me say many times before, always just walk a little further. That's exactly what Hans and Nick here did. We started off, immediately started walking. It is absolutely gorgeous out. I am extremely cold. I'm hoping that we warm up a little bit. It was only 10 degrees when we left this morning, but the scenery is unbelievable. There's mountain sheep or some kind of sheep. Bald eagles flying over. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I'm so stoked. Cannot wait to throw this rig into the water. I'll let you guys know here when we stop a little bit about what they've got me rigged up with.
Yeah, back there is really good. This
always starting him out and standing right here.
It gets kind of deep right there. It might not be that bad right now. It's low flow.
So basic idea here is look for the deeper areas, yeah?
Right now, yeah. Most of these fish are holding at 3 to 4 feet of water.
Okay, 3 to 4 feet. Come out and film me for a minute, all right? See what's going on. Is that a bite? No.
Bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. Get one? No, bottom. Hey guys, I watched them for a little bit. Looks like basically I've got a bobber type system here with a nymph below it and some kind of bug up above that. I'm gonna go down here and see if I can't make this roll cast happen. It seems like that's what they're doing, casting right in front of them. It's gonna be cool. It's beautiful out here. Hope I don't freeze to death and this is gonna be epic.
There you go.
Oh.
You got the fish.
Yeah. Check it out. Got off? Yeah. Nick just had the first one there. That was pretty sick, but it popped off. Doing the same thing I'm doing, so we'll see. Yep. There you go. Nick just got another one. It's pretty sick. See that thing? Nice fish. Beautiful little rainbow?
Brown trout.
Brown. Oh, eating the nymphs, huh?
Yep.
Right on the bottom. Nice fish. That's beautiful. Sick. Guys, that's awesome. That's what we're looking for right there. Oh, I got one. I freaking got one. I think this is one of the whitefish.
Yeah, that's a whitefish, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, this is
Mountain whitefish.
mountain whitefish.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Mountain whitefish on the pads. Yep.
how freaking cool is that? Okay. Ate the nymph, huh? On the bottom.
Yep.
Native Colorado, huh?
Yep. Native to a lot of western streams.
Okay. Wow, it's cold. Check this out. What a funky little fish. That is a weird fish. Sick. Guys, this is what we came here for. What a cool fish. See you later, buddy. Woo. That's my first fish in Colorado. That's awesome.
Nice job, man.
Thanks, man. Oh, I got another one. Yeah. Nice. Here we go. This is sick. Yeah, it's a proper fish. Look at this thing. It's a proper fish. You want me to bring him over your way? How does this work?
Yeah, you can, you know,
Okay.
put your rod towards that. That's a nice fish.
Yeah. See it a white one again or no?
Nope, that's brown.
The other one. Yeah. Uh-oh. He's coming this way. That's
So keep your legs closed. They will go through your
Yeah.
legs. Yep. Oh yeah, dude, that's a great fish.
Heck yeah. Check that thing out.
That's a great brown.
Dude, that's a really good fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's sick, man.
So I'm gonna give you the net like this is the easiest way.
Okay.
And best way to get a good shot of the fish is to kind of get around
Yeah. Like that. Okay.
like that.
Okay.
And then you can kind of scoot your hands so you can get a good shot.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
that way, if he slips, you can drop him
He's
right,
back
in the
in
net.
that. Beautiful trout. Holy crap. Breckenridge Outfitters. Put me right on this thing. That's incredible. Incredible fish. Literally walking on ice here to go fishing. This is nuts.
I have a thermometer. I can tell you how cold
It's
this
freezing.
water is.
Like there's ice coming up on the fly line.
Yeah, exactly. Like there's.
Guys, the fly line comes out of the water here and I'm like stripping it back and it's crusting with ice. You know what? There you go. I guess I could get the net for you. Let me get the net. Yeah. Nice. Oh, little jump. These little things battle. There you go. Nice. Nice fish though. Super cool. Sick.
The guy?
Yeah, nice fish, dude. Do you know what he ate?
He ate the leech.
He ate the leech. There you go, man.
Hi, buddy.
There you go.
Jeez, that was a quickie.
Yeah.
As I was taking off my backpack.
Nice. Nice fish. Another brown?
Yeah.
Beautiful fish. It is unbelievably beautiful here. And I cannot say enough about these waders and boots from Orvis. I've rented these right there at the Breckenridge Outfitters. If you guys are visiting here, if you're skiing, you want to get away, take a break, highly recommend grabbing one of these guides or renting some gear and going off on your own and going to look for these trout because this is pretty magical. Guys, I just saw one come up right here, right in this little eddy. I'm gonna see if I can get it. Phew! On the beaver dam! No, get out of the beaver dam! I got it. We're good. Guys, what a cool fish! Goodbye, little buddy. Woo! He's a little one. Feisty little guy. I don't know. No. You think? Beautiful fish, ate the bug. See you later, buddy. Guys, what an unbelievable day here on the Colorado River with Breckenridge Outfitters. I cannot, if you guys are here in Breckenridge skiing in Colorado and Denver, hit up these guys, go fishing. It was an absolute blast. The most relaxing fishing I've ever done in my life, just walking along the bank. It's beautiful this time of year right here in March. Caught 4 beautiful fish. Guys, this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Ryan Meyer's Expeditions.